Welcome to Parramatta BMW. In this tips and tricks video, we'd like to talk to you about efficient operation of your air conditioning system, especially with the warm summer months now upon us. Your air conditioning system performs four main functions: creating airflow inside the cabin, cooling the air inside the cabin, warming the air inside the cabin, and also drying the air inside the cabin. Now, sometime over the next few months, you will no doubt have to park your car outside underneath the sun and return to find a really hot interior. In order to get the cabin temperature back down to a comfortable level and achieve the most efficient cooling from an air conditioning system, it is first important to remove most of the heat from the car. This can be done by opening the front and rear windows of the vehicle and also the sunroof if possible. Allowing these to be open for approximately 2 to 3 minutes while driving will do wonders in achieving a comfortable level back inside the vehicle. Select a low temperature setting, ensure the AC button is activated, and set your AC interior fan to a medium to low setting. The reason for this is so that the air that passes over the evaporator behind the dashboard has the best chance of absorbing and carrying that refrigerated temperature that the evaporator is putting out. In no time, your cabin temperature will be cool and dry, and you'll be able to maintain your ideal comfort level. Did you know that some owners turn off their air conditioning button in winter as they are of the understanding that they will save on using the AC gas? This is an urban myth. It is important to keep your AC system running all year round, no matter what temperature you have it set on. The reason for this is that unless the compressor is running, the gas is not being carried around the system. The gas has an oil mixed in with it to lubricate the seals inside the system. Lack of lubrication will cause the seals to dry out, shrink, and then your gas will leak out without you even knowing. Last but not least, it's important to know that it is important to have fresh airflow coming through your air conditioning system. This will allow the air in the cabin to become less stale. As I mentioned before, part of the air conditioning system function is to remove the humidity or dry the air inside the cabin. The moisture from the air is collected by the evaporator and is designed to disperse out underneath the vehicle onto the road surface. Parramatta BMW recommend that periodically an air conditioning treatment be carried out on your system. This treatment is aimed at cleaning the evaporator behind the dashboard and eliminating any bacteria that forms in the stagnant water that collects on your evaporator surface. This treatment can be easily done at your next service. My name's Ashley. Thanks for tuning in to Tips and Tricks today, and we look forward to seeing you soon at Parramatta BMW.